I wasn't paying attention. Ow. Ew.
Hello, my name is John Reed, and I want to know, have you ever thought about our world and all the things it does for us? Today I'm going to share with you why I think you should change your lifestyle in order to help save our planet. Now I know what you may be thinking. The world is fine, right? Unfortunately not. Our world is at risk of deforestation, mass pollution, climate change, fishless oceans, and many more terrifying issues I'm about to tell you about. In order to supply ourselves with all the water we need, we use lots of energy to pump and filter it. Most methods of doing this have a byproduct of carbon, which when it is released into the atmosphere in large quantities, has serious effects on our planet, even raising the temperature. Slight increases in the temperature is a huge threat to many ecosystems and could make many plants and animals go extinct, said the Nature Conservatory. According to Kip Anderson, the animal agriculture industry uses up to 76 trillion gallons of water annually. That's a lot of water. It takes a lot of energy and carbon to pump and filter that much water, so it is important that we try to minimize our water use. Mr. Anderson also said it takes 2,500 gallons of water to produce 1 pound of beef. Obviously, carbon emissions is a big issue because we create so much of it. Our cars generate it, so do our factories, and even our food. Can you guess which generates the most? The answer is our food. Animal agriculture is responsible for 18% of greenhouse gas emissions, which is more than cars, which is 13%, said Mr. Anderson in his recent documentary, Cowspiracy. So you may be thinking, these things don't affect me. Well, according to the Reset Environmental Organization, more than 50 million people are affected by climate change, and many have lost their homes to flooding. And by 2050, those numbers may rise to 200 million. Millions are in danger, and you might be too, if we don't solve these issues. Animals are in danger too. The United States Environmental Agency predicts that 20 to 30% of animals and plants evaluated so far in environmental studies are at risk of extinction. Another staggering issue the animal agriculture industry presents is mass pollution. Animals on U.S. factory farms produce 500 million tons of manure each year, said representatives at PETA in a recent article. Most of that pollution runs downstream into rivers and waste lagoons, sometimes into our drinking water. So how can you help? Well, by cutting your meat consumption and going vegan, you can reduce the amount of water you use by tremendous amounts. According to PETA, by going vegan, one person can save approximately 219,000 gallons of water a year. That's a lot of water. By choosing better options like beans that can survive in desert climates with not much water, you could help save our planet. Thank you.
Hey, how are you?